everyone, it's Kirsten from Redfield Crafts. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, November 12th. I just wanted to hop on real quick and just show you guys some of the projects that I have worked on, I've completed, a couple whips that I am currently working on, and I think that's really about it. I do want to say welcome back to all of my returning viewers, subscribers, friends, and I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers that I have received over this past couple weeks. It really means a lot to me that you guys have decided to join me on my journey. Just a little backstory, I currently live in Italy. My husband is a military member, so we currently reside here in Italy for the next year. We have already been here for 2 years. So excited to go back to the States, but I'm sad to be leaving here. It's kind of bittersweet. Italy or Europe for me isn't really that great of a place to live. It's great to, visit and to be able to travel, which is one thing I am so grateful for that we have had the opportunity to do here. We've been quite a few places and it's a really good experience for my kids. Not many people get to, travel in Europe, let alone live here in Europe. But I'm so ready to go back to the States so that way I can do things that I want to do and be able to go to places that I'm comfortable going to and not have to worry about like language barriers and such. One of the main things I want to do when I go back to the States is go back to school. Here in Italy, there is there's a few colleges available on base here, but none of them offer what I would like to do. They are mostly geared towards like business degrees, so I guess if that's something that you're into and interested in, that's great for those people, but for me, not so much. But yeah, I just really want to be able to, go shop in Walmart or Target or, be able to go walk into Joann's and Michael's and even Hobby Lobby. Because when I started crocheting, which was almost 4 years ago, I didn't even know about Hobby Lobby. Because where I lived, there wasn't a Hobby Lobby near me. There was only Joann's, Michael's, and a few Walmarts. So that would definitely be a new experience for me. But anyways, let's go over to things that I have completed. In my last yarn chat video, I showed you guys that I was working on a beanie. The pattern was by Rich Textures Crochet. I think it was the Rachel beanie. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave a link to that down below. But I used one of my Karen chunky cupcakes in the color Grapesicle. Because that took like a little over, just like barely one. It took one full cupcake of it and like barely a little bit from the next one. So I made another one. I'm not going to put it on because as you can see my hair is wet. I just got out the shower. But yeah, this is the second one that I did. Same color, same, Grapesicle. Cinched it up at the top. The only thing is I don't really like this part right here where you can see my seam. I don't know if y'all can see that. But I guess that's the back of the beanie, so that is fine. But yeah, so I completed that. It's a nice hat. The next thing that I did was I was working on a pattern. It was called the Diamond Stitch, which I did do a tutorial for it. I will leave a link for that tutorial down below. But it was the Diamond Stitch scarf. I started it in brown, but as you can see, you can't, you kind of can, but you kind of can't see the design in it. So, but this was my starter, my practice one. So I did it in this color, which was called Mocha. I used Bernat Satin, color Mocha. I forget how many grams there was in there, but there was 200 yards. And this scarf took about, let's see, one full skein, so 200 yards, and maybe 50 to 75 yards from a second ball. So yeah, that was my little practice test diamond scarf. And then the tutorial one that I did it in pink. Or as, I think this color was called flamingo. But the nice bright pink, and this one you can definitely see the diamond pattern. I do have a PDF of this pattern. I don't know how to link that down below, so if you are interested in the PDF format for this, you can email me at redfieldscrafts@yahoo.com and I will send you that PDF. It has both sizes because in the tutorial I gave you the larger size as well. So on the PDF I have the small size, which is this one right here, and then I have the larger size as well on there. So there's that. The next thing that I did was, actually we'll start with this one, was I am currently working on a cowl. So I am using for this, I'm using Lion Brand Woolies Thick and Quick. It is a size 6 super bulky. There are only 87 yards in these balls. They are 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So it's a good winter, project. So I am working on a cowl for it. I just haven't finished. I finished, the design of it. I just got to sew my buttons on because I'm gonna have it go something like, I'll just do this to show you all. I'm gonna have it go something like, it's gonna attach down here and then, something like that. It's gonna have buttons, 2 buttons on it. I have these buttons right here that I got from a local store here in Italy. This is what they look like. Just nice, simple flower buttons. Let's see if that's gonna focus for y'all. So there's that. So all I'm gonna do with these is I'm just gonna, have them so they can sew on. So it's gonna be 2 buttons. So again, this was my practice scarf or practice cowl. This tutorial will definitely be up by Friday for you guys. Put that button away so I don't lose it for later. So yeah, so since I used, did I use 1.5? I think I used 1.5 balls for this. I can't remember right now. So what I did was I just did a simple ribbed beanie to go along with it because the cowl will have like a ribbed effect. The only thing I have to say about this beanie and this yarn is I think this yarn is way too big for this beanie because it's a nice super chunky beanie, but I just feel like it's too big. But if you live like in those northern cooler regions of the US or anywhere and where you get a lot of snow, this will definitely work really well. I'm debating whether or not to put a pom-pom on it. I probably will. I just haven't done it right now. So yeah, those are things that I have worked on lately. The last thing that's attached to it that I have been working on is every year for Christmas, you have a tree skirt that goes around your tree. So obviously I'm making a tree skirt. The one that I normally have, it's like one of the super cheap ones. And like after that season, it's completely ruined. Mainly because my cat's always laying on it and he scratches at it. So it's kind of tore up all the time. So I decided I wanted to make my own tree skirt this year. Something that would definitely be easy to wash and hopefully my cat won't ruin it. But I am doing a tree skirt. So, and I really like it. I am just using some, just like Bernat Super Value, so it's very, like, same thing as Red Heart Super Saver. I'm using white, and I was using, same thing, Bernat Super Value in the color Berry, but this is all I have left, and this will not be enough to finish this tree skirt, unfortunately, and my local craft store does not have any more of this color. So what I'm gonna have to do is I have, move this so I can show you. Right there, it's another Bernat Super Value, but I believe that one was called True Red. So I'm gonna have to use some of that one to finish this tree skirt, which I'm not thrilled about, but that's fine because next year I can always make a new one. So yeah, the pattern I used for this tree skirt was by Jayda InStitches. I will leave a link to that video down below. It took me forever. I was literally searching probably for a good couple weeks on a good tree skirt pattern. All of the ones that I found were similar to, like, you know, the 12-point Starburst blankets, but I didn't like the way they all started out. So I, you know, searched on YouTube for Christmas tree skirts, and there was a few on there, but the one that was similar to what I was looking for my tree skirt was the Jayda InStitches one. Very simple pattern, all double crochets. So yeah, she, in her video, she uses 3 colors, but I just wanted to use red and white, and in her video, she changes colors every 3 rows. I didn't do that. I kind of wanted my blocks a little bit thicker, like the colors to be a little bit thicker. Like, I started, like, color change after the first 2 sets of 3 rows, and then I went to 4, right? 1, 2, yeah, 4, and then 5, and back to 5. And I think that's what I'm gonna do for the rest, is just 5 rows and then color change. So yeah, really quick, really short video. I have no acquisitions at this moment to share with you guys. I did, however, I did place an order with Hobium. As you all probably already know, Hobium is going out of business. Today, is it today? No, the 13th, which I think is tomorrow. They are closing their doors. Right now, everything is 40% off. I did place an order with them on Friday. It was either Friday or Saturday when I first found out the news about it. I did place a big order with them, so I am expecting that sometime this week. So once I get that order in, I will definitely do an unboxing with you guys to show you some of the yarns that I chose that I wanted to try for them. I know Crystal from Bag O' Day, she just did she just uploaded a video, I think it was yesterday or something. It's her last Hobium giveaway that she is doing. Half of it was sponsored by Hobium, half of it was sponsored by her. The yarns that she had in that giveaway were not on the Hobium website, which made me sad because those were the ones that I really wanted to try the most. But there was other ones that I also wanted to try that was still on their site that I did get. So I am super excited and definitely looking forward to getting my package. So yeah, I think that might be it for today. Let's see, is there anything else? I think I want to do a shout out. There was this, I do want to do one shout out. I just found her channel, it's actually my winner from my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Her name is Anne. Her channel name is called Plain&SimpleCrafts. I really like her channel. She is from Pennsylvania. She does a lot of yarn hauls. She shows a lot of her finished objects and I think a few of her whips. She has, I think, about 20 videos up right now, give or take 20. But she is so close to reaching 100 subscribers. So if you haven't checked her out already, I suggest you guys go over there and check her out. Subscribe to her if you like what you see. Yeah, I think that might be it, you guys. So yeah, once I get that hobium ordered, I will do an unboxing on that one. I will have my 2-button cowl tutorial up probably by Friday as well. And also, some of y'all have asked me to show you guys how I added fringe to a few of my scarves. So I will do a quick video on that probably sometime next week, along with a separate video for my Marvel pillow that I'm kind of been slacking on doing. For that one, I am not going to do a full tutorial on it, only because it's so much color changes. But I will show you guys like basically what I did. I'll tell you guys what I did, what helped me to do it, and stuff like that. So yeah, if there is anything that you guys would like to know, just feel free to comment down below and ask me. So yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful week, and don't forget to check out Hopium before they close down. They are having some really good sales if you are interested. Yeah, so that is it. Have a wonderful rest of your week, everybody, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, everybody.